Hey everybody, it's me, Rachel. This may be the first time that you've actually seen me. I'm not real big on being on camera, but you know what? Today is March 1st and I'm really excited for a couple of reasons, actually several reasons. So first things first, it's the 1st of March. That means it's getting closer to spring. It's getting closer to being able to go outside every day and paint. I'm really excited about that. I am excited because on Skillshare, I have just surpassed over 1,500 students. That's insane to me. I just started teaching on Skillshare about a year ago, and I could never have imagined having so many students. It has been so awesome. I've learned so much, and I've worked so hard on improving my classes, improving my video quality, and I really hope that that shows. I think that learning is so important, and I've been a Skillshare member for several years, and yeah, teaching on Skillshare has been amazing, and I can't believe I've had over 1,500 students, so I think that alone is worth celebrating. But the reason I'm making this video today and why I am so excited is because I have just announced my very first ever giveaway. It's going to be a Skillshare exclusive giveaway, so you're going to have to follow just a couple of really basic qualifications. The first qualification is just to take any of my Skillshare courses. I have quite a few at this point, I think about 20. And there's a link below that will take you to all of my courses on Skillshare. And if you're not a member on Skillshare yet, I have a special offer for you where you can get 2 months free. There is a link below in the description for that. So go ahead and click on that, get your 2-month trial period for free, take the classes, and enter my giveaway. All right, so the next qualification for my giveaway is that you, of course, first take any of my classes on Skillshare at all, and then post a project to the project section of that course. And how many projects you submit will do two things. It's going to move you up to the next prize tier. So if you post 1 or 2 projects on Skillshare, you will get 1 or 2 entries into my second prize. And I am going to tell you what these prizes entail in just a little bit. Then, if you post 3 or more projects, you will be entered into the first prize tier, and you'll also get 3 or more entries into that tier. So however many projects you enter, you're going to get that many entries, and then the number of entries or projects also qualifies you for the tier of the prize. So I have 2 tiers of prizes for this giveaway for this month only. And I am going to be announcing the winners on April 1st. I don't know what time yet, but I'll be live streaming it here on YouTube, and I will also, of course, announce it on Skillshare and message the winners. Okay, so the next qualification is just to follow me on Skillshare. And if you're already following me on Skillshare, you're good to go. And then also follow me on Instagram and or YouTube. So definitely Instagram, but also YouTube. And then the final qualification is just to post your projects on Instagram and just tag me. So you can find all of that information below in the description. All the links are below. Again, to qualify for this giveaway, all you have to do is take any of my Skillshare courses during the month of March, post as many projects as you want. Each project gives you another entry and also can move you up onto the tiers of prizes that I'm offering for this month. Follow me on Skillshare, follow me on Instagram and or YouTube, and then post your projects on Instagram and tag me in those projects. And that is how you will qualify. On April 1st, I'll be doing a drawing. There's going to be 2 different drawings. One drawing for the first tier prize, and then the second drawing will of course be for the second tier prize. So I'll be doing that live on YouTube, but even if you missed that, I will be messaging all the winners through Skillshare. And again, if you need 2 months free of Skillshare, link below, go there and follow me, see what I have to offer on Skillshare. I have mostly oil painting classes, but honestly, a lot of the classes that I teach on Skillshare have more to do with like concepts, and so you can actually apply many of these to any medium. And so actually these projects, you can use any medium that you want to complete the project, so you don't have to use the medium that I demonstrate in the class. So there's a lot of freedom there. And yeah, I think that you should just have fun with it. I would love to know what you think, and stay tuned. I'm actually just finishing up recording and editing another Skillshare course that's going to go live today. So stay tuned for that. And now let me tell you about these amazing prizes that I am giving away. The first tier prize includes all of these items: a complete set of M-gram solvent-free oil paints, and I'm throwing in raw umber into this set because I think that raw umber is really essential. It also comes with 2 mediums, walnut oil and then a walnut oil alkyd medium, and a wooden mixing palette, a palette cup with 2 compartments so that you can keep your medium in one compartment and a little bit of solvent in the other compartment. Chelsea Classic Studio brush cleaner. This is their citrus solvent. It's completely toxin free and it actually smells really great. I love this stuff. So you'll get a bottle of that. And then you're also going to get 3 Pro Stroke Hog bristle brushes of different sizes. I believe that the sizes are a flat size 8, a flat size 2, and a filbert size 6. The brushes that you see pictured here don't exactly depict the specific brushes I'm giving you, so if you're curious about what you're actually going to get, look that up. I will also be sending you a stainless steel palette knife. And lastly, not pictured here, I'll be sending you 5 sheets of Arches oil primed paper. This is a 100% high quality and archival paper that has been primed for oil painting, and this is what I like to do all of my studies on. And then the second tier prize is pretty similar. The big difference here is just the paint. So instead of the M-gram set plus the raw umber, you will get the Winsor & Newton Winton oil colors set, and this comes with 6 tubes of paint. And then of course you'll also get the Chelsea Classical Studio brush cleaner, citrus solvent, 3 brushes. They're the same as before: Pro Stroke flat size 8, Pro Stroke flat size 2, and then a Pro Stroke filbert size 6. A stainless steel palette knife, the palette cups for your medium and solvent, and then also a wooden palette. And 3 sheets of the Arches oil primed paper in various sizes. So again, to win these prizes, all you have to do is take my Skillshare courses, post projects to those Skillshare courses. 1 project will enter you into the second tier prize, and you'll get 1 entry. 2 entries gets you into the second tier prize with 2 entries. And then to get into that first prize tier, you'll have to enter 3 or more entries, and as with those, each entry gets you, or each project gets you an entry. So you'll automatically have 3 entries into that first tier if you enter 3 projects. So check out the links in the description below where you can get 2 months of Skillshare for free, and you can also find all of my Skillshare course offerings. I hope that you have a wonderful and creative March. I'm just really looking forward to the weather and very excited about lots of things to come. So thank you so much for joining me here on YouTube. I hope to see you over on Skillshare, and have a great day today.